But if you want to know what stocks have just crossed H4, you can just click on this filter and you will see that all the stocks have already moved beyond H4 when you are observing the entire setup. But then if you keep it on, you can see here the screen refreshed and you got a opportunity here in Godrej property. So you can see here there is a score, a number which is mentioned here. So we are tracking how much it has moved above H4. So we are giving it a scoring pattern. We are giving it a scoring, and that scoring is very important for us to take cognizance of what is happening. So if you want to know, okay, it is moving above H4, all right. Has it moved now? Yes, it has moved now. How much has it moved? It has just moved above H4. So if you go here now and you can check here, there is this change now option. And this change now option, all right, this change now option, if you turn it off, you will see here that there are numerous other set of stocks. Okay, there are numerous other set of stocks which have moved above H4, and everywhere you will see here, somewhere you will see a 4, somewhere you will see a 7, and you can see here Polycab is having 12. So the higher the score, the more stronger is the trend. But then if you're going to enter a particular stock and if you find that the score is very high, then you have to understand that your stop losses will be deep or you are entering at a high risk point. So now you have to manage those levels very well. So it is very important that you don't enter at a very high score. So you get a very good idea. So what is the objective of predicting market action with Camaria? You get a trended stock. And when will you make money from the market? You will make money only when the stock is trending. So from here, you get to know what are the scores, how is it moving, and where is it placed at the current juncture. Now, if you see here, based on this, you can decide which is the stock which is going up. Now, on this particular page, if you don't want, sometimes there is, you can refine your thinking. Okay, you can refine your thinking and you want only a very strongly trended stock. In case you are a professional trader who knows how to manage and who wants to get in and take out some faster moving trades. So what you can do is you can go here and you can select the score. You can say I want stocks which are having score above 5. So immediately what will happen is the list of stocks that are displayed will show only stocks which are having a score above 5. So what happens is immediately you have got a shorter list, you've got stocks that are trending, and then you will be able to take suitable action. All right. Now, having said this, okay, this is how the entire list is. You've got prices above H4, prices below L4. Now let's move to the other section, which is your H3. H3 is where the prices are getting started. So prices have moved above H3. That means that soon a trend could emerge in H3 and the trend can persist. So now if you have just come in and you don't want to take a stock which has already started moving and you want to track some stocks which are just beginning its move, you can come here to H3. You can come here to H3 and track it. If market is on the downside, you can come here to open below L3 and track them. Now, always go from the top-down approach. We have spoken about the top-down approach. Top-down approach is the best way to proceed in the market. So if you want to go into the market with a top-down approach, you have to be very, very clear about the entire market flow. So having understood that market flow, you will be able to participate in a very clear manner. So now you have understood that yes, this is either it's above H3 or below H3. Now, how can you take advantage of these set of stocks? These are stocks which have started moving. Now, if you wish to take advantage of these stocks, all right, if you wish to take advantage of the stocks,